These mugs like $100 just for this knob. So I'm gonna order a black one, you know what I'm saying? Sick I spent my money on that one, but like I said, it is what it is. Get that out of the way. Move the radio to the side like that, and move the EQ. Hold on, getting stuck. Move the EQ down. There we go. Now I need to go ahead, pull this top plate off, which I'm gonna sit up here. And then now we need to go ahead and remove them bolts, which if I remember right, they were 7. Yeah, 8 too big. 7, yep. Let's go ahead and get this plate off, get that black trim out of there, and then this should be able to come on out, no problem. Wrap this armrest in Alcantara, and yes, it is still soft. You feel me? You can still press on it, still feel good. Made a custom cup holder because the ashtrays, they don't sell the wood grain, or I couldn't find a wood grain when it was in good shape. So I just made a cup holder and wrapped it in Alcantara as well. Brand new top plate, brand new little gear shifting piece, and then here go the chrome trim that I'm gonna try and squeeze in the side in here. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video, man, we finna go ahead and pull out the center console out of this car. I know we just put it in, but like I told y'all, it's this little part that came in that I want to go ahead and install on the center console that I got for the center console. I want to go ahead and install it, or try to anyway. So the first thing we gotta do is pull out the center console, because y'all know the way we put it in, I had to take it apart. So I'm gonna have to take it apart in this video. We're gonna pull it out. Then the next video we're gonna go ahead and try to install the part that I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying, which is just some chrome trimming that I got. Hopefully it fit. It's literally 1 millimeter bigger than the size I need. I needed like a 5, I think it was like a 5 millimeter, maybe a 4, and they didn't sell none that small, so I had to get a 6 millimeter. I think it's 6, but I'm not for certain or for sure, but I got it off Amazon, so hopefully this works. Hopefully it's enough too. If it's not enough, then I'm gonna have to order some more, which it wasn't even that much. It was like $15–20 around there, you know what I'm saying? So it wasn't too bad in price. It's just I hope this is enough, you know what I'm saying? I didn't measure the length, how much I'm gonna actually need, but like I said, hopefully this will be enough. But like I said, this video we're gonna go ahead, pull out my center console, unfortunately, because I got it in here looking good, looking fantastic, but I need to go ahead and pull it out so I can, like I said, install that chrome trim, and then I'm gonna be putting around here, to cover up, y'all see all them cracks on the inside. So I'm just gonna try and stick some chrome trimming in. So the way what I gotta do to pull the center console off is remove this wood grain piece, which is not even down. Remove the wood grain piece, take 4 bolts out, get that black piece out, and then the center console, I should be able to lift it on up out of the car. So that's the plan, man. That's what we're finna go ahead and do in this video. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Also, I forgot, I need to run my bass knob, even though I don't even know if I'm gonna really use it. It's just gonna be good to have it, you know what I'm saying, have it already ran and done. So I need to run that as well. We'll be doing that once it warm up a little bit, because that's gonna take me a little minute to be able to run it all the way to the back. It's probably gonna take me like 20 minutes, probably not even that long, to be honest. Probably be quick, but yeah, it's a little too cold for me to be sitting out here trying to run some wire and then pulling up trim and all that type of stuff, pulling the seats out. I just don't feel like sitting out here for right now, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, like I said, pull the center console out. That way I can go ahead in the next video and put this chrome trimming on that I'm trying to put on. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully I have enough. If I don't have enough, then I'm gonna have to order some more, and then we'll come back and do like a part 2. But if it's don't say part 1 in the video or in the title, then it's not gonna be a part 2. I ordered enough. So like I said, y'all stay tuned for the next video for that though. But make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers. So like I said, I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Share the channel on all social media platforms y'all want to. Screen record the videos and post them on different social media platforms, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it helped me grow. Try and do as much as I can. I'm already posting on everything, so I need y'all help as well. But other than that, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We're gonna get right into it. Hopefully my light is charged enough, because I got to do like at least like 10 minutes of me trying to pull this center console out, which it probably won't even take that long, you know what I'm saying? It might be a little quicker, but yeah, like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this, man. I'll catch y'all in 1 second. Got to change my battery out, and we're gonna go ahead and get the center console up out of here. Alright, so first thing I need to go and do is get this little knob off. I still gotta order one. These mugs like $100 just for this knob, so I'm gonna order a black one. You know what I'm saying? Still gotta spend my money on that one, but like I said, it is what it is. Get that out of the way. Move the radio to the side like that, and move the EQ. Hold on, getting stuck. Move the EQ down. There we go. Now I need to go ahead, pull this top plate off, which I'm gonna sit up here. And then now we need to go ahead and remove them bolts, which if I remember right, they were 7. Yeah, 8 too big. 7, yep. Let's go ahead and get this plate off, get that black trim out of there, and then this should be able to come on out, no problem. And then we'll put this back in later on, and then I'm gonna have to take it back out again to put my carpet in. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and get this out real quick. Well, not want to. I don't want to take it out, but I have to take it out real quick because, like I said, I want to put that chrome trim around. Hopefully, it'll fit and it'll go in right. But yeah, that's something I want to do. Just make it pop a little bit more, make it look a little bit better. You feel me? It'll be worth it, you know. It'll be worth it. One. Get this better bought out. I don't know if I told y'all, but I got me a torque wrench now for when I get ready to do, whenever I mess with wheels and stuff again. I got the torque wrench now, so that's a plus, huge plus. Got a nice little torque wrench. And I got a torque wrench for these side sockets too. So now I have 2 torque wrenches, which is perfect. But yeah, let's go ahead. Now this little top plate should come on off. Perfect. And then this piece should be able to come on out. Perfect. And I'm gonna leave this out of the way real quick. Set it up here. This screw out. This screw out. There we go. Set this up there. And now the center console should be able to come on out. Like I told y'all, this is really quick. Nothing too hard, nothing too crazy. But yeah, now the center console. It should come on out. Dang it. Oh, I gotta put the car in neutral. Let me see, where's my key? Neutral. Then it should pop on out a lot easier because I'm kind of struggling. Alright, now let's get this on out of here without the car trying to roll. Perfect. There we go. Back in park. Perfect. There we go. And now, as y'all can see, center console is out once again. Once again, center console is out. Very unfortunately, the center console is out of the car again. So I'm finna go ahead and sit this outside of the car, and like I said, I got ready to show y'all my trim, which we're gonna be trying to install next video. Hopefully I can get it to squeeze up in here because it's gonna go right between there. Look at that. That's why I'm doing it, you know. Look at that. Trying to customize this a little bit more, and y'all know, like I told y'all before, I want to keep the OEM one. I don't want to make a custom one. Just I can be able to say it's OEM plus, you feel me, custom OEM, and just adding custom features. Like I'm gonna make me, y'all know, the little EQ holder right here for my EQ, so that way it just don't be sliding and I don't screw it to the bottom there. I want to make me a little holder, so that's what we're gonna do as well. But yeah, very unfortunate we gotta take this out, but like I told y'all, it needs to go ahead and come on out. So got that out now. yeah, let me go ahead and sit this outside the car 1 second. Hold on. All right, y'all, center console is out and got the chrome trim out here now too. Like I said, we're gonna be installing it in the next video. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that. But yeah, here we go, man. Y'all know the center console already, you feel me? If you are new to the channel, if you don't know the center console, wrap this armrest in Alcantara, and yes, it is still soft, you feel me? You can still press on it, still feel good. Made a custom cup holder because the ashtrays, they don't sell the wood grain, or I couldn't find the wood grain when it was in good shape, so I just made a cup holder and wrapped it in Alcantara as well. Brand new top plate, brand new little gear shifting piece, and then to go to chrome trim that I'm gonna try and squeeze in the side in here. I think it's gonna look good, you feel me? It's gonna pop because, you feel me, this ain't polished aluminum, but it's aluminum, and then this is a nice little chrome trimming, so I think it's all gonna flow together. And like I said, hopefully I have enough. I just need it at least to go to about here, because y'all know this portion is gonna be covered by the custom little EQ holder, so I just need it to go at least to here, hopefully. Hopefully. But yeah, man, that's the plan. Like I said, next video we're gonna go ahead and install this, and like I said, I got it off Amazon, and I'm hoping it's long enough. It should be, if I measure it. I don't even know if I measured it or not. I think I just ordered it, to be honest with y'all, but I ordered one of the longest ones I could find. Like I said, I don't remember. I think this is 16 feet. Yep, 16 feet, so it should be plenty, you feel me? It should be plenty, to be honest with y'all. It should be plenty to be able to go around and around, you know what I'm saying? You go all the way around and come back all the way around. But like I said, I at least needed to go to about here, maybe a little bit further if I can. And I don't know if it's gonna turn right, so I'm probably going to like cut it at like an angle, and cut it like an angle, you know, like you doing like wall stuff for the walls, the lower trims for the wall. I'm gonna have to do it like that, you feel me? Cut it at a corner, and then at a corner, and then try to set the pieces in. And it did come with some stuff to make the double-sided sticky tape more adhesive, you know what I'm saying, or more sticky, or stick better. So yeah, that's the plan, man. Like I said, get that done. It didn't take long to take this center console out. It's not gonna take long to put it back in, so that's why I'm not too worried about taking it out. It's just my hands is getting cold now and starting to get freezing cold out here. But I'm too excited and I want to get this done, so I'm gonna try and finish this on up in the next video. But yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about my center console. I know it's kind of a lot going on, but once my seats get in, then the black will really flow all together. You feel me? It's gonna all look together, it'll look good once I get my seats done. And then once I get the carpet in, the bottom half will flow with the carpet, then this top little armrest will flow in with the seats. And y'all see it is the Alcantara wrap, which I just ordered more so I can wrap the back parts of the seat, so that'll be dope too. We will have a lot of Alcantara everywhere in this car, like a really good upgrade, you know what I'm saying, a good little modern touch to the car. But yeah, this is it, man. Like I said, it's my center console. We're gonna be putting the chrome in the next video, so y'all stay tuned for that. Hope y'all enjoyed this one, and I will catch y'all in a second. I hate this tripod, man. This tripod is no bueno, for real. But I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright, y'all, very unfortunate I had to pull it out, but I already knew I was gonna have to pull it back out anyways, regardless, because it gotta get pulled out for the carpet to get put in. And like I said, I wanted to add that in, and then yeah, I'm gonna have to put it back in when I get ready to make the EQ holder, you feel me, the little box that I'm gonna make for the EQ. So like I said, I knew I was gonna have to pull it back out, and I know I gotta put it back in, and I know I'm gonna pull it back out again to get ready to put the carpet in. That's just what it is, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing I could really do to avoid that, because like I said, I needed it in for when I was driving, because I just didn't want it to be flying all around. Like if I have it in the back seat, I don't want it to be sliding all around, so I needed it back in the car. And like I said, I knew I was gonna have to pull it back out because it's some stuff I still want to do with it. But yeah, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comments, how y'all feel about the chrome trim gonna get installed. This was a pretty short video, but like I told you, I knew it wasn't gonna take long to get the center console out, because it's not fully bolted down to the ground of the car, or to the floor of the car. It wasn't fully bolted down. It was just sitting in here kind of, but it also it couldn't move, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't shaking or anything. But yeah, like I said, I'm glad we're gonna go ahead and put this chrome trim on. Hopefully it should be plenty, you know what I'm saying? 16 feet, it should be plenty to be able to go all the way around it. But if not, like I said, I needed to make it to the front portion, you know what I'm saying, so where the EQ is gonna sit. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed, like I said, this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on auto where y'all get notified as soon as I drop. Y'all get that notification. Share the channel, share this video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers. So like I said, I need y'all help to hit that goal. Can't do it by myself. Subscribe if you're new. Share the channel, share this video. Keep commenting, keep liking the videos. That also helps YouTube push the content. Y'all liking the videos. And share the channel and the videos on all social media platforms. Y'all want to screen record them and post them as y'all own. You hear me? Do whatever you can. I don't copyright my videos or anything, so y'all can post them on all these social media platforms and help me grow. I'm sorry I'm shaking a little bit because it's a little cold. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Like I said, stay tuned for the next video. We're finna go ahead and try to install that chrome trimming. And yeah, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.